Mr. Palma, second sentence, please.
I don't say to stole
Can you
my
please stand up?
I don't say to stole my money.
Miss Juliana, the last second paragraph and the last paragraph.
I don't say he stole my money. I don't say he stole my money.
Okay, so based from the fourth sentence, what have you observed about the sentence?
They are the same sentence number, different sounds or speech of the each sentence.
Okay, so to answer your question, let us know the definition of I got a little. Okay, anyone? Can you give an idea about our motivation? Miss Lalo, please stand up and please give us an idea.
I think they have a different. The sentence is they have a different meaning.
Okay, nice try. So, what do you think is the connection of our activity for our lesson for today?
I think our lesson today is about stress and stress.
Okay, so let us know if our lesson is stress or unstress. So before we proceed to our main discussion, everybody please read the objectives.
At the end of the lesson, students will be able to define what stress, value the importance of stress to oral rotation, and make a goal and represent.
So, Miss Juliana, can you please read the definition of stress?
Stress, the pattern of stress and unstress word across the sentence. Normally, this emphasize is a word that carry important information, although this can change significantly depending on the specific meaning speakers want to communicate.
Okay, so based from what you have read, can you please give us an example of stress? Thank you so much, Miss Viliana. So, when we say stress, it is a pattern of stress and unstress words across a sentence. Normally, this emphasis is on words that carry important information, although this can change significantly depending on the specific meaning the speaker wants to communicate. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, to give you more knowledge about stress, so this is the example. Mr. Palma, can you please read the first example?
I ran quickly to the desk.
Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Palma. So, I run quickly to the desk. So, the I word here is the stress. So, I emphasis who is doing the running. So, the second example is I ran quickly to the desk. So, the word run here is the stress. So, it emphasizes what action is being done. Okay, so example number 3, can you please read Miss Gando?
I run quickly to the desk.
What do you think is the stress word here?
Quickly, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So, quickly stands as our stress. So, it emphasizes the way in which you run but does not fundamentally change the meaning of the sentence. So, do you understand our lesson for today, class?
Yes,
so the last number